All right, let's take the hot rod bike for a ride. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. You can see that sun. Oh, I probably just burned the lens on the GoPro. But yeah, I feel like going for a swim. See what happens. All right, we're doing a little roving reporting. Looks like there's an accident up ahead. Date Palm and 19th Street. We got, let's just roll through here. Across the highway without dying. That was pretty cool. So we're on our way. Look at there's Old Glory. Lots of pedestrians out. This is a popular sidewalk. This park is much further than I thought. I'm getting a little bit winded here. This isn't exactly a high efficiency bicycle. Menard May Park. I know this camera doesn't have zoom, but that's a bald eagle over there on the island. Yeah, there's no zoom on a GoPro. Sorry, maybe I'll get a picture of him in flight. This here's the boat ramp. It's very solid sand. I've backed my two-wheel drive truck in here many times. You can't go too far, and then it drops off very quickly. But it works. It's a nice little park, nice little boat ramp. You gotta go so far before you get to deep water. And this water got chilled. It's pretty chilly. Maybe all the rain we've had recently cooled it right off. But I'm gonna bring my kayak down here one of these days and go explore these sunken sailboats. I see two of them from here, and I see something else big down there. So here goes. Let's go. Not exactly crystal clear water. There's a pretty strong current taking me out to sea. Well, we can fight it. Hope I didn't have any boogies. Stupid boogies. Trying to rebuild the oyster beds. There's a lot of oysters on these rocks already. This is a nice little fishing pier. Get a nice view of the park. It's got lights, so you can come out here at night, do your fishing. You can see everybody cleans and guts their fishes on the bench. But what do you gotta do? The rain will wash it away, right? But there's a little false channel that comes through here. There's a sandbar right there. So this is kind of deep water. There's a lot of bottom feeding, non-edible fish in here. So you gotta deal with that when you're out here fishing. It's beautiful. I think sometime soon, I'm gonna bring the kayak down and explore this island and show it to you. It's pretty cool. Some pretty cool trails. And I like to paddle down. There's a sunk sailboat right there. Then there's another one way up there. So, yeah, people spend the night on these islands all the time, camp out. This one here is sandy. Some of them are not so. That one there is sandy. Some of them are just mangroves. So they're not really, you can't really walk on them. There's the little playground for the kids. You got a slide. You got some swings right here. You got a bench so your old people can sit down while the grandbabies play. And then right over here is the bathroom. All right, that's the men's room. Women's room's on the other side here. Then the picnic area. And you have this little separation. And here's the little barbecue pit area. This is all the protected mangroves. So, and the last feature of the park is regulation volleyball court. Well, that wraps up our tour of Menard May Park. Let's get back on a hot rod bike, head for home. See ya. Just spotted this sign out of the corner of my eye. Had to circle back. You know, I know these things, everything on this sign, but I have to be reminded. Once I get reminded, I can get to that humble place in my heart, and I can live this way. So that's the difference between fear and faith. Fear is the belief that everything is going to be bad, and faith is knowing that everything's going to be all right. I've got to record these trees. How cool are they? I got rust stains because they're using well water, but they are so nice. I got some very odd looking, oh man, look at the thorns in those leaves. Very cool. Very nicely done. I don't know what kind of palm it is, but I like it.